इसका यूज़ नहीं है सर, बट इन केस।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, all the people of the media, for coming and for waiting. I'm extremely happy that I'm going to be part of Aura. I thank the entire team of GIT for inviting me, and I'm more excited than anything because this is my first ever visit to Belgaum, and I'm getting an opportunity to perform for such a wonderful, prestigious institution, for such a prestigious festival. From the time I have landed, I've got a lot of love and affection and warmth and a beautiful feeling about this place. I hope that I can reciprocate that feeling by performing well for you people, and you all feel that, you know, okay, it's worth the while that we call this guy to perform for us. So I hope all of you will come. I'm really, really eager to meet all the students, the staff, who are going to enjoy the show, I suppose, and interact with them and make this also a memorable experience for me.
Would anyone, if you want to ask any question or anything like that, would like to speak something? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Please allow him to speak little more.
Yeah, no, little more. Little more.
See, the worst thing for a singer to do is speak, actually. I think the best thing, easier for me to do is, you know, go there, sing, perform, entertain all of you all. So, I'd like to, you know, since we have a special gathering here, I would like to sing something for you all right here. Are you all okay with that? गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणवन्दिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणाधीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. So I invite all of you, please do come and enjoy the concert and give us your blessings and your wishes. Anything, please ask.
There's a lot of diversification in music.
Lot of diversification, which was not there in the past, some few decades back. Now we have fusion and so many. Yeah. So, it will lead us.
It is leading us to more awareness. This diversification is because of more exposure. Maybe, you know, about 30 years back, we were not conducting this press conference the way we are doing it today. We don't communicate with each other the way we do today. We did not have 300 television channels, 300 radio channels, mobiles, internet. For a person to reach out his creative piece of work, whether it's a song, whether it's poetry, whether it's whatever, we had very limited sources. That's why, you know, it was very minimally available and very less exposure. Right now, you know, there are so many avenues through which you can display your art, you can display your music, you can display your, you know, whatever you specialize in. So obviously there's going to be diversification, because in your bedroom where you're watching a television, you are listening to a Marathi Bhavgit, then you're listening to a Kannada Bhavgit, and then you're listening to Michael Jackson, and you're listening to also fusion by jazz bands. Everybody is coming on the same screen in your bedroom over there. So you are getting exposed to the world sitting in one place. So this is a result of exposure, more learning, more intelligence, and coming to know about what is happening beyond your own surroundings.
See, we have different courses like engineering, medicine, various courses are there. But how best are the opportunities for the students in the music industry? because everybody cannot be a star like you.
No, see, I'll tell you something. Everybody, for every creative person, I think this is the best time to be. Because they've got so much opportunity. Even when I was studying for my engineering, the reason why I took to engineering was, one of the reasons was, I was not confident about taking up music and doing that as a career. That time the options, it was not you couldn't take a confident decision that time. But today, I think you can take a confident decision to take up an art form as your main core, curriculum or your career. You can yearn to be a singer. You'll say that I'm going to paint and I'm going to become a big man. Today is the correct time, and I'm sure that there are so many other courses also that are coming, which are specializing you in performing arts. My son did a fantastic course called BMN, Bachelor of Mass Management. I think when I was there, that course was not there. That is when you come across other writers, other filmmakers, other photographers, other lyric writers, other musicians. All these people you are trying. So it's fantastic. It's a great time for students, but they have to apply themselves in the correct direction. They have to use their energies for a positive outcome.
नमस्कार. आपण खळे काकांच्याकडे शिक्षण घेतलेलं आहे. आता जे रियालिटी टॅलेंट शोज येत आहेत ते खरोखरच उपयोगी ठरतात का नवीन टॅलेंट बाहेर येण्यासाठी, आणि शास्त्रीय संगीताकडे तरुणाईचा ओढा आहे का अजूनही?
सबसे पहले तो जे खळे काका, आई कन्सिडर देम एज वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट कंपोजर्स. आणि मी जेव्हा त्यांच्याबरोबर माझा पहिला कार्यक्रम दिलं होतं दीनानाथ मंगेशकर सभागृहामध्ये मुंबईत, त्यावेळेस ऑडियन्समध्ये कोण बसलेलं माहिती आहे? आपले इकडचे पु ल देशपांडेजी. अँड ही वॉज देअर इन दी ऑडियन्स. अँड त्यांनी मला खूप आशीर्वाद दिला होता. सो दॅट इज अ व्हेरी व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग बिगिनिंग फॉर मी. रियालिटी शोज मधून जे पोरं येतात, तुम्हाला विश्वास नाही वाटेल की हाऊ सक्सेसफुल दे आर. I know we have given chance to about 20 children from reality shows. They have sung and they have become very popular in the films. See, it's not only about becoming popular. At the end of the day, you also have to make a career out of it. So all these kids, they become superstars. What is a superstar? You know them by the first name. Every one of those 14 children who are there, the whole country is talking about Jasraj Joshi. The whole country is talking about Mohammad Aman, who was a small guy who came from an interior of Rajasthan, and he's singing classical music on screen, and the whole country, "Arey, Mohammad Aman ko vote do." They've already become superstars. You are known by your first name by every person in this country. What more do you want? Secondly, because they come out of the reality show ends, that doesn't mean their career has ended. We don't see them. It's not like if you shut your eyes, that means the world is gone. You're not seeing them, that doesn't mean they don't have a career. Each one of them is performing, each one of them is traveling, because ours is a very big country, and in our country, every occasion, whether it is a marriage, whether it's a birthday party, whether it's a function, whether it's an inauguration, whether it's a college festival, everything has to have music in it. So there are enough opportunities in this country. These kids are traveling, they are making their money, they buy houses even earlier than what management students buy. They buy cars before they buy. The one thing that does not happen to all of them probably is they don't become a Shreya Ghoshal or they don't become a Sunidhi Chauhan. And you can't expect, you can't expect every writer to become Pula Deshpande. You can't expect every composer in Marathi to become Srinivas Kade or Hindi, every composer to become a Naushad. But there is work for everybody. They are doing work. वो जो popularity, वो जो becoming famous, becoming an icon, becoming a leader in what you're doing, उसके लिए ऊपर वाला एक है, that connection should be there, and he has to switch on. लेकिन अच्छा इसको बना दो, उसके बगैर नहीं रहेगा.
Are you working on any new album?
Sir, that is the least I can do. वही चल रहा है अभी. Lots of interesting things. there's a very interesting film. You must have started seeing the promos. It's Zoya Akhtar's next film. Zoya is, I think, one of the finest filmmakers in the country. She made Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. All these kids, they must have seen it. Everybody must have seen it. It's a very inspirational film. Uska next film is coming out, Dil Dhadakne Do, for which we have done the music. And many other films are coming out. Rock On 2 is coming out. Then there is the person who did Bhag Milka Bhag, Rakesh Prakash Mehra. His next film, Mirzaya, is coming out. We are doing music for that. A very interesting film for which we are doing music and we are very excited is a Marathi film called Katyar Kalzar Bhusli. Katyar Kalzar Bhusli, which is a legendary play, they have brought it onto the big screen now. It's being directed by the maestro Subodh Bhave, who played Bal Gandharva and who played Lokmanya Tilak. Now his first directional debut. And it's the first time Shankar Ehsan Loy were doing music for a Marathi film, a whole film, which has got, you know, all kinds of classical, semi-classical, qawwali, bhajan, abang. So that is a musical treat that we're waiting for.
Sir,
Sir, a line or two from your new album. Sorry? So can you please sing a line or two from your new album?
It's too early, you're waiting. And you're making me sing everything here only. Come to the show then.
Sir, only a line or two.
Anything else, anybody?
सर रेडियो माध्यम के बारे में आपका अभिप्राय क्या है? रेडियो
Radio माध्यम?
या
रेडियो इज अभी तक हम लोगों को इस देश में रेडियो इज बिकम एक्सट्रीमली पॉपुलर, आई एग्री, लेकिन अभी तक हम लोगों को रेडियो का पावर अभी तक समझ में आया नहीं है इस कंट्री में. वी आर जस्ट लिसनिंग टू इट एज अ थिंग. इन द वेस्ट रेडियो इज मच मोर पावरफुल देन इवन टेलीविजन or any other form of media, because radio is the medium that promotes your song and reaches out to every person, because every person is traveling, every person is moving on, every person is, you know, you need not be in a particular place to listen to that music. So radio is very big all over the world. India is also getting bigger, but I'm sure आप 4-5 साल में देखिए कितनी मोटा होना है. Radio is going to become the biggest medium of promoting music.
सर हिंदी के अलावा भी और कौन सा भाषा में अपने गाने गाए?
तमिल, तेलुगु, कन्नड़ा, मलयालम, हिंदी, मराठी, गुजराती, आसामी, ओडिया, पंजाबी, श्रीलंकन, नेपालीस.
तो सर कन्नड़ा के एक गाने का गुनगुनाएंगे प्लीज.
अतिरथ महारथ सारथी. See, I should keep them waiting for the show. So are you ready for the show? Yes. Let's go. Thank you very much. Let's give a loud round of applause to all these students who have worked day in and day night.